Hi, this is section 6.5, and we're going to finish this chapter talking about analyzing and sketching graphs. Looking at a graph, you can really tell the story between two quantities. So here, if you look at the example, when a line goes up, it's increasing. Hopefully, that makes sense to you. If it's increasing with a straight line, that means it's a constant increase. If it's steeper than that, then it would be uh, rapidly increasing, and if it's less than that, then it would be increasing less rapidly. When the line is straight across, it's constant, there's no change, and then when it goes down, it is decreasing. Again, if it's a straight line going down, it's decreasing at a constant rate. All right, so let's take a look at our first example, analyzing graphs. So here we have two graphs. One is the temperature in Belfast, Maine, and the other is in Newport, Oregon. So they're just showing the temperatures throughout the day. Letter A, describe the change in temperature in each city. So in Belfast, the temperature increases at the beginning of the day. Then it kind of starts to decrease faster and faster throughout the rest of the day. If you look at Newport, this graph tells you that the temperature decreases at a constant rate at the beginning of the day. Then the temperature stays the same, and then it increases at a constant rate. Make three comparisons from the graphs. Well, both graphs show increasing and decreasing temperatures. Both graphs are nonlinear, although in Newport you have sections of linear relationships. However, as a whole, the graphs both are non-linear. And then the third one is in Belfast, it is warmer at the end of the day than it is at the beginning of the day. So the temperature is higher here than lower. And then over here, it starts off warmer and ends cooler. So we're going to go ahead and do on your own. If you want to try it on your own first, you can stop the video. Or if you want to do this one together, we can do it together. The graphs show the paths of two birds diving to catch fish. A, describe the path of each bird. All right, so the pelican, which I'm just going to put as P, it looks like it descends slowly. Right here, it's descending kind of slowly, then more quickly, and then slowly again as it's approaching the ground. Okay, so we're going to put descends slowly, then more rapid, and finally slowly again. Okay, so again, you don't have to be super specific, but yeah, you do need to tell each section of the graph when it kind of changes direction or speed. Then the osprey, we'll just do O. It looks like it descends at a constant rate because it's kind of a straight line. It descends at a constant rate and then more rapidly. So descends at constant rate, then more rapid. M's kind of weird, sorry. Okay, letter B, make three comparisons from the graphs. Well, both graphs are decreasing, right? This is letter B. So both decreasing. That's number one. Number two, they're both nonlinear. Sorry. Linear. And then I would say the pelican its steepest part is kind of in the middle right here, but for the Osprey, the steepest part is at the end. So I'm gonna kind of put that over here for more room. So the Pelican steepest rate is in the middle, where the O's is at the end. So when they're asking you to compare, you can tell about things that are common or similar between them, or you can also contrast it, what's different about them. All right, example 2 is talking about sketching a graph. So a stopped subway train gains speed at a constant rate until it reaches its maximum speed. It travels at this speed for a while and then slows down at a constant rate until coming to a stop at the next station. Draw the axis. Okay, so step 1. Draw the axis. So you have your y-axis and your x-axis. Label your speed here. Your time is down here. If you wanted to title it, you could do subway. And then you're going to sketch it. So just break down what's going on and draw each section. So a stopped subway train, so that means you're going to start at 0, 0 down in the corner where the two lines meet. Gain speed at a constant rate, so that means it's going to go up at a straight line until it reaches its maximum speed, and then it travels at this speed for a while. So there's no change in the speed. So that means it's going to be constant. It's going to be a straight line over. Then it slows down at a constant rate, which means it's going to go down in a straight line until it comes to a stop. So then the speed should be at 0. So it should come all the way down to the timeline. Okay, so again, just breaking that down and drawing each section. Letter B, a television increases the price. As the television size increases, the price increases at an increasing rate. So again, draw price and TV size on your axis. Then sketch the graph. The price increases at an increasing rate. So I think that sounds a little confusing. So I always say the price increases in a rapid rate. So that means it would not be a straight line. It would go up quicker than a straight line. So it becomes steeper and steeper as the TV size increases. So as you move along the TV size, it's going to go up steeper and steeper and steeper. Okay, now let's do the on your own here, 2 and 3. Again, if you want to try this, you can stop the video and check it, or we can do them together. Number 2, a fully charged battery loses its charge at a constant rate until it has no charge left. You plug it in and recharge it fully. Then it loses its charge at a constant rate until it has no charge left. Okay, so let's draw our axis. Okay, I'm gonna redo that because that doesn't maybe look as good for me. So I don't like it, so I'm gonna redo it. Okay, so here we go. There, my X was a little off on the last one. Okay, so we have a battery charge over here. I'm just gonna write BC for battery charge, and then we have time down here. Okay, so it's fully charged, right? And it's losing it using its charge at a constant rate. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to draw a straight line down to the bottom till it's dead. Then you charge it, you plug it in and charge it fully. So then you're going to go up, it's going to be charged back up. I'm assuming that it charges at a constant rate. And then it loses its charge at a constant rate again. So then it's going to come back down. And I'm going to extend this time axis right here. There we go. Okay, so that should be number 2. Sorry, that was a little messy. Okay, number 3. As the available quantity of a product increases, the price decreases at a decreasing rate. So again, I'm going to go ahead and draw the graph. This is going to be price, and this will be quantity. All right. So as the availability of the product increases, the price decreases, and again at a rapid rate. So it's going to go down fast and then kind of squalling out there at the end. So that would be your graph for number 3. All right, so let's go ahead and try 6.5 practice worksheet letter A. I will include that in your Google Classroom along with the key. And then I'll also put in a review kind of for the chapter for you in there as well tomorrow. So there you go.